Hello everybody, welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, how strong is Amaco Air Dry Clay? Well, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought this air dry clay. It's sold as an air dry clay. It says it's easy to use and it comes in a 10-pound box. It's $10.99 at Hobby Lobby. So I thought, oh, how fun. 10 pounds is a lot of clay, $10, it's cheap to use. And so I thought, well, I'm going to make some Christmas ornaments this year. And I was severely disappointed with this clay, and I'm going to show you why. So what I did here was I rolled out 5 pieces of clay. I rolled out, a very thin, very, very thin, about 2 cards thin, 1/8 of an inch thick, 1/4 of an inch thick, and a 1/2 an inch thick. So this is how, let's see how fragile or how strong 2 cards thick is. It just crumbles. So 3 cards thick, see how thin it is. See how easy it breaks? You could just snap it. 1/8 of an inch thick. You want to make like an ornament, anything like that. Watch this. Just crumbles. I could just snap it with 2 fingers. 1/4 of an inch thick. This is 1/4 of an inch thick. Watch this. Still crumbles. It's just not a strong clay at all. And this is 1/2 an inch thick. Watch this. Crumbles. So Amaco Air Dry Clay is not a strong clay. Well, there you have it. Amaco Air Dry Clay is not very strong or durable, and whatever you make will break. Well, after doing some research on Amaco Air Dry Clay, I found out that it is a kiln-fired clay, and if you want your product to be permanent, you must kiln fire it at cone 4, which is a low-fire clay. So I don't understand why Amaco Air Dry Clay, Amaco sells their product as an air dry clay when it is actually a kiln-fired clay. So, do I recommend this product? No. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what kind of air dry clay do you like to use?